Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see our today's topic. It is E.F.T. English for Today, this book, English for Today book, okay, E.F.T. book, Unit 3 to 6, reading plus discussion. So, dear students, I request all of you to open this book, English for Today book, from Unit 3 to 6, we shall read and practice. It is page number 6 at first, so look here, page number 6, title is Commands. Page number 6, Unit 3. Title is Commands. So look here. There are some examples of commands or commanding sentences. For example, stand up, come here, look at the board, draw a flower, color it, show me your book, go to your seat, open the door. Next, say and do the action in activity A. Okay, done. See, look and say, circle the things beginning with B, underline the things beginning with D. Dear learners, look here. Here B for bat, I have circled it as is mentioned here, and B for ball, circled, and B for bag, circle. And look at the other things. For example, door, D, dog, and doll. These are underlined. Now we will go to next page. Page number 7, okay, alphabets. It is K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for net, O for orange. So look here, kite, lion, mango, net, orange. Here I have traced. Okay, I have done it earlier so that our video, okay, becomes smaller. Kite, lion, mango, net, and orange. In your book, you will trace it and write properly. So look here. One is kite, in the blank you will write kite. Next here is net, you will write lion. Okay, beside the picture you will write the name of the picture, mango, and then orange. Next page. So look here, numbers. So there is an idea about the numbers. For example, 5x, 6x, 7x. So look, 5. In the right side you will trace it and write 5 also, then 6, then 7. Okay, look at the word, look at the 5 writing in words, 5 F-I-V, then 6 S-I-X, 6, then 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay, look here. So here it is, how many apple are there? If we count it, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apple, then mango, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mango, then how many hen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy. Now we'll go to next page. Okay, page number 9, alphabet again. P for pot, Q for quail, one kind of bird, you know. R for rose, S for sun, and T for tiger. Pot, quail, rose, sun, tiger. Okay, same thing. Beside the picture I have written, you will also write in your book, page number 9. Quail, sun, rose, pot, and tiger. Okay, look here, tiger you will write the R like me or as it is mentioned in the book. Now we will go to next page, page number 8. This, look here, it is how old. Title is how old, Unit 5, page number 10. So look at the descriptions or the beginning. Hello Rafi, this is Mina, she is 8 years old. Okay, hi Mina, I am Rafi, I am 7 years old. Look, listen and say, this is Mahin, he is 8 years old too. Look and say, he is. So look at the short form here. Here he, then apostrophe, then s, it is short form. Look at the full form, it is he is. Next it is she is, short form, then the good form. Okay, bigger form. Now we will go to next page, page number 11. Look here, alphabet again. The idea of alphabet or the words with this alphabet. Look here, U represents umbrella, V vase, and W window, X X-ray, EO and Z for zebra. Look here, I have written umbrella vase, window, umbrella vase, window, X-ray, yo-yo, zebra, X-ray, yo-yo. You will write in your book page number 11. At first you will trace, then you will write properly like me. Then look here, beside the picture I have written the name of the picture: window, then flower vase, then X-ray, then zebra, yo-yo, and then umbrella. Very easy. Next page, page number 12, numbers. Again the ideas of numbers. 8. How many? 8, then 9, then 10. Look here, 8, 9, 10. So look here, E-I-G-H-T, 8, then 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. Very easy. Count and write the numbers. So look here. So how many fish here? So if we count it, it will be 8 fish. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fish? 8. Then pencil, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 and also here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pencil? 10 pencil. And ant, look here, how many ant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ant? 9. Last page, page number 13. Look at in totally, you will get the idea of the alphabets and word. A represents ant, B represents bat, C represents cup, D for dog, E egg, F. So look here, frog, G girl, H house, I igloo, J jeep. So J represents jeep, and K kite, L lion, M mango, N net, O for orange, P pencil, Q quilt. Okay, look here, and R rat, S for suns, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vase, you know, and W for window, X for X-ray, and yo-yo, and last one is zebra. Okay, with these things, dear students, we have finished our E.F.T lesson 3 to 6, and only one class is left, and with this class our half yearly 2021 English literature subjects will be completely finished, and I am very much happy that only one class is left to finish our 100 mark syllabus. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.